This is an instructional video on how to titrate the SomnoDent G2 appliance. The appliance has two pieces, the maxillary portion, which has little tabs on the top, and also a mandibular portion, which has little shims of different lengths on the fins. The patient will come in with this little disc here, and the numbered boxes here correspond to the different shims on the mandibular portion. The letters correspond to the different tabs that go on the maxillary portion. So in order to remove the mandibular shim, there's a little key that comes with it. It's kind of like a flat screwdriver, and it's inserted into a little slot on the mandibular portion, turn 90 degrees, and the tab comes out part way. At that point it will then slide off. This is done on both sides. Again, insert it into the slot, turn 90 degrees, and the tab comes off. Sometimes it takes a time or two to get it out. This is a 6. That's what the patient's been using. You can see the little number right there. A little bit difficult to see. So if we want to then try a 7, we'll just twist the disc to the number 7. Pull out both 7 tabs. You want to make sure you can read it before you put it on. So this, you can see the 7 is right there. Put it on the top of the fin. Make sure it's where it's supposed to be, and then push down. Do the same thing for the other side. Again, make sure you can read the 7, which is right there. Put it on the top and swing to the back. The upper portion, in order to remove that, there's a little notch right here, and you just push fairly firmly down into that, and that disengages the piece. So that's the A bar. We're going to put in a B bar. When you're doing that, you want to make sure that the letter is visible when you put it in, so that's the wrong way. So we'll make sure we have the correct piece so you can read the B, and it slides right into the piece until it snaps. You'll do that same thing with the other side. Take that out and put the B side in. When the patient comes in, it will come in with a little sheet that shows different combinations for titrating. So we may have 3 or 4 different positions. One could be a B. This would be a B7. This side over here, and then if we would take that out, say the next would be a C1 if we wanted to go forward. So those combinations will put the patient at different settings, each in 5.5 millimeter increments. If you have any questions, please call our office, 376-2920 or 336-0003. Thank you.